Hey, so your girl made it back, and let's just say came home, took a much needed shower because I needed to get rid of all of that I was around today. It wasn't that crowded at the funeral, I have to say. It wasn't too crowded. It was okay, but still, I had some people asking me why I was all masked up. Okay, people's asking me why am I having so much mask on my face. You know, we have family you can take off your mask. You know, we get that today. But, so I just got my COVID test done. Came back negative, thank God, because I was scared out of my freaking wit because I was around so much people today. But the hotel where I'm staying at, the doctor, you make an appointment with the front desk and they send a doctor to your room to get your testing done. So, yeah, that's good. And the hotel is in New Kingston. New Kingston, yeah. And it's called the Ahar Hotel. I have mango. This is what I'm eating, y'all. I've been feeding on East Indian mango. I eat two already. And let's just say them all by my teeth. This is the last one for the night. Yeah, I'm gonna eat it. When I came my belly hurt me, I'm gonna eat the last mango because I bought so many mangoes. And just so many fruits. I still have pineapple. I have plums. I have Jamaican star apple, that no, apple, the Jamaican apple, remember it name. But I did get a lot of fruits. So this is the last one. The last, the very last East Indian mango. I'm gonna eat that right now. I have something on my teeth. Anyway. Oh. So let me know how to eat to the mango. If you bite to the mango, to start eating from up at the top. This side, yeah. Some people eat the mango starting from the stem, right there, so. And some people start biting them mango from here, so. Me love to eat my mango starting from here, right there, so. Like a fat pizza, so. That's where I like to eat my mango from. But today, I'm gonna start it here, so. I don't know why, because I don't like to start my mango there. But let's see. Sweet. I like that. Husband, if you're watching, this one is for you. This one right here is for you. This one is sweet, but not as sweet as the one that I had before. Maybe I mean, because I don't like to eat my mango starting from here. So I'm going to go ahead and bite it, yeah, so. Did it make a difference? No. This one is not sweet. Not as sweet as the first one. The one I'm eating not a while ago. Because this is like the third one I'm eating. Yeah, the third one. But guess what? I don't care if it's sweet or not. You're going to eat it regardless because, honey, baby. I have no clue when I'm going to eat another one of these mangoes. Because we don't get this in America. I think you might see it in Florida, maybe. Maybe. Which I'm going to take back the seed and plant it. But yeah, it's pretty good. But I forget back into the gym, y'all. My ass is getting fat. hella fat. Last time I come to Jamaica, I was eating so good. And I gained some weight then. And I never made it to the gym because I had to make a U-turn and come right back. And let's just say I was eating more than I was when I came the first time. But feel it good in. I put on massive, massive weight. Cause the girl that eat real good. But I have been eating a lot of fruits. And some real natural pineapple juice. So good. Look at that. It's so nice and juicy and gummy that is. Watch it. That's a real deal right there. If you are a Jamaican, you know exactly what I'm feeling right now. I have some pineapple right now. Some sliced pineapple, organic. I'm gonna eat that tomorrow. Yeah, I've been eating fruits all day. Among other things. Alright, so the girl is killing it. Really, I love the carrot that's see there. Real talk. Mm. Can carrot up. I don't need to see. People. Now, fancy area. Plant it in your backyard. Put it in a pot and set it first. Was these trees out here set? No. But that's all. The seed just drop in that ground and the trees start growing. Okay, y'all. I killed the mango. Now I go in and wash my hands. Brush my teeth. And take me a carrot that see down. That's about it. I'm done with it. But me a carrot that see them. I'll try. That's it, y'all. My mango, I feel like a mango. Excuse me. I feel like a mango, a big fat mango. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna brush my teeth, edit some videos. I'm gonna end this one right here. So, like, share, subscribe. Love you guys so much. Hope y'all loving the vlogs. Pineapple tomorrow. I will see you in my next one. Bye.